I'm building this container house on a tiny budget of 100,000 Australian dollars, so I've decided to mill my own timber for decking boards, feature pieces and furniture and easily save over 100 grand. And this week I'm milling a log that weighs between 800 to 1,000 kilos, and getting it onto the mill solo is no walk in the park. This is very not good. It's actually lifting the car.
Woke up to 17 new problems, blowing up my phone. Oh yeah, you know that if you let them, they'll try to break your soul.
I found something.
So I put on my robe and pour some coffee.
Last time you saw me milling, I was milling a massive jarrah log for like bench tops, and I had to use my car to get the log up onto the mill because it weighed 400 kilos. I had a tiny pile of jarrah left that I still needed to mill. Well, since then, I've been working very hard, and I can happily say that all the jarrah is gone. So these ones that you see here, they're either too skinny to be decking or they are just too damaged. So like this. But it's all done otherwise, which means I can finally move on to my Murray pile. I am hoping to use jarrah on the outside of the house. So all the decking would be jarrah, and then I'm hoping to use Murray inside the house. The only problem is these logs are actually way bigger than that giant log that I milled last time, which almost flipped the quad. So I'm hoping the Delica is still big enough to help get this onto the mill because it is a lot bigger. And let's hope my mill's big enough to mill it. Wish me luck.
Sunshine pouring through the window, sends some problems on vacation. You gotta roll with it, just roll with it. Just gotta go with it, just go with it. Whole life
Plan
is
B,
gone,
quad
it's been
versus
out of
log.
control. Just go with it, just go.
Plan C, cross everything, so this is gonna work. Oh, it's coming! Oh, shit! Oh no. Success! I have a little bit knocked over the timber mill, but hey, I'm pretty happy with that. Holy shit, that is way too big. I'm gonna cut the ends off anyway because the ends are quite damaged, and then hopefully I can fit it on. A lot is hanging on this measurement because that timber mill will only get a log in between it that's kind of like 50, 54 max, but I think it might even be too big. And when I measured that, that was 60 wide. But it looks like it's just that part. I'm hoping this part is a bit thinner so that I can actually mill it. Otherwise I have to get out the chainsaw mill. Oh, oh my God. Just small enough. Oh my God, it's a fucking scorpion. Where did you go? It's just crawled in between there. Good old Delika to the rescue again. Let's get this log up onto the mill. This one is apparently double the weight of that massive Jarrah one I had before. So let's hope the Delika is still strong enough to hold this down and that the straps don't break on me.
Roll with it, just roll with it, just go with it, just go with it. Oh, keep your eyes on the road, let go and just roll with it, just roll with it. I may be caught up in this traffic, but it won't stop my flow. 'Cause I still got my music slapping. Let's get this road on the show. Go on ahead and rain on my parade. I'll jump in those puddles every single day. Try to steal my joy, I'll just give it away. Well, that's okay. I got plenty more saved.
Okay, so this is very not good. It A, sounds like the straps are snapping, which sounds scary as. B, it's actually lifting the car. Both the wheels of the crane are now off the ground. And C, the crane has now just gone under the timber mill, so I can't pull it anymore, and the timber mill's not level anymore. Oh no. ChatGPT said this thing when it's green is 1,000 kilos and when it's dry it's 800 kilos. So I would say it's somewhere in the middle of that. I'm not sure what plan this is, A, B, C, D, E maybe, I'm not sure. I've put this thing here so that the crane can't go underneath, and then I've got bigger straps because they were pulling through this part here. I had them in the middle here and they were pulling through that.
Roll with it, just roll with it. You just gotta go with it, just go with it. Whole life is gonna spin out of control. Just go with it, just go with it. You gotta roll with it, just roll.
It's gonna work this time.
Just go with it, just go with it. Oh, keep your eyes on the road, let go and just roll with it, just roll with it.
Come on. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh shit. Come on. Oh shit. It's lifting the car again. I wonder if I can roll it up from here. Whoop. That moved it. That did something. Yes. Come on. Oh. Yes. Moving it bit by bit because it is pushing the deleker up. But if I move it, then it kind of puts the crane down again. So fingers crossed, bit by bit, I can get it up here. So close. Nope. Come on. Oh my God. Oh shit, stay. Oh fuck. Come on, yes! Yes! Huh. Oh my gosh. It's on. I can barely believe it. But it's on. Better bloody fit through my meal. If I can pull this off, these are going to be some gorgeous kitchen benches.
Just roll with it. I may be caught up in this traffic, but it won't stop my flow. Still got my music slapping. Let's get this road on the show. Go on ahead and rain on my parade. I'll jump in those puddles every single day. Try to steal my joy, I'll just give it away. Well, that's okay, I got plenty more to say. Oh, you gotta roll with it, just roll with it. You just gotta go with it, just go with it. Oh, life is gonna spin out of control. Just go with it, just go with it. You gotta roll with it, just roll with it. Just go with it, just go with it. Oh, keep your eyes on the road, let go and just roll with it, just roll with it. I got an answer and it hasn't failed me. Something that's constant when the winds are changing. It keeps me grounded when my heart is racing. Yeah, it's that whisper in my soul. Yeah, saying you gotta roll with it, just roll with it. Just gotta go with it, just go with it. Oh, life is gonna
Let's check out this first slab. It's not one of the bench tops because I haven't done it that thickness yet. This is just like a thicker slab. And the next one will be a bench top. Okay. Oh shit. My golly, look at that. That's an interesting wood. Time to do the first thick bench top slab. This is my first big, thick slab. All right. Whoa. Oh, shit. First bench top slab down. I'm hoping to get maybe 3 more bench top slabs. Let's check this one out. Pretty. See the colour difference? There's the Jarrah and that's the Murray. So different in colour. Hopefully they'll look nice together. Last 2 slabs. I have finished this massive, almost 1 ton log, and these are my beautiful slabs. Now I'm going to head over to this firewood pile because my mum has been saying that she is so jealous of all the firewood I have here. I think that's a little hint that she would like some, so I'm going to cut some up and I'm going to go for a long trip and go see her and drop her off a nice big supply of firewood. And I might as well fill up my little firewood shelter a little bit while I'm at it and clear this massive pile of firewood that I have. But I do want to keep some of them long because I'm thinking of making an outdoor bathroom that has like a Jarrah cut-off fence around it. I've got all my little piles, I'll just show you. So I've got all my firewood here for my mum and down here, but I've run out of room on the trailer, so I'm gonna have to try back the Jalika into here. And then I've also got all my firewood that still needs to be cut, just here and here. And then I've got, this is the exciting pile, I've got way more than expected, like really thin cut off pieces from the slabbing that I can use as fences for my outdoor bathroom. I'm down at my little bath area, and if you haven't seen it, I built this little outdoor wood fire bath last year during the winter time, and I'm only allowed to use it in winter because I have fire restrictions for half the year where I live, so this means I can only use it during those times that there's no fire restrictions. But it has been a long time without use, so I need to clean up the area so that I can get her ready for her first bath of the winter. What I'm hoping to do is put a net over the top of the bath. I can hopefully catch some rainwater and I don't have to fill up the bath by myself from the dam like I did last time. I'm restoring these antique Jarrah windows for my container house. And last week I finally got finished on the stage of grinding off all the paint with my grinder. That means the majority of the paint on all these windows is gone. I did, however, come across a bit of a bummer, which was one of the windows was actually pine instead of Jarrah. Not sure how to solve that yet, but hopefully I'll have a solution soon. But that means today I'm up to the next stage, which is all the final sanding and getting all those final little bits of paint out of all the detailed areas like this. I have already got 2 completely detailed and finely sanded and all ready to go. So I'm just gonna start my way at the back of this line and work my way down. One casement down. Woo, woo. There's paint left on the glass, but that's okay because the glass is getting swapped out, so that can stay for now. I will sort that when I use the glass later for another project. But she's all smooth, she's all ready to go. I can move on to my next one. I think I have another casement exactly like this, so that'll be next. I'll move on to these 2 big casements here. Let's move on to casement number 2. All this white that you see here is just putty. Casement number 2 is done. That means these 2 casements of the frame that's already done is complete, and that's a whole nother window done. Casement number 3 today. Done and dusted. I'm gonna move on to the other one that's exactly like this. This one was actually quite easy because it's all straight pieces. Casement number 4.
Spent too much
much money on a college degree, a piece of paper that's got no guarantees. But it's okay, it's a new day, and there's a million different ways to win as long as I play. If there's a chance, then you know I'll take it. Both hands on the dreams we're chasing. Stand where there is no pavement. Cards on the table. Go like there are no limits. Take everything.
That's it, number 4.
Just one life we're living. Yeah, we got this. Oh, it's gonna be fine. Yeah, we got this. It'll be alright. Got bills that piled up all over the floor. Yeah, shooting for the moon, but I'm signing for it. And it's okay. It's a good day. And there's a million different signs that say I'm well on my way. If there's a chance.
What a dusty day it has been, and I'm so glad to be at the end of it because,
Dreams we're chasing. Stand where there
I wanted to show you what I'm going to be using for the finish on the Jarrah windows as well as on the Jarrah decking, and it comes from these plants right here which are called xantharias, and they have resin that makes incredible waterproof varnish. So I'll do a little walk around now and show it to you and collect some so that you can have a little look-see. So here you can see the resin grows at the base of the tree, but it grows anywhere really. No idea what this stuff is, but wow. Look at that. That's come off the xantharia. I don't know if it's trying to save itself when it's dying or if that's what makes the resin. I have no idea. But it came off of here. And this one's, oh yeah, look, there's heaps more down there as well. No idea what this is. Doesn't look yummy. These xantharias are so beautiful. Some of these ones on the property are over 400 years old. It's amazing. All right, see there? All up in there is the resin. Here on the ground is the resin. Massive, massive one here. Look at that. And look, it even goes like on the ground like this, all spread out. I'm going to take you to one of the ones that is over 400 years old, and you can tell because they're meant to only grow like, I think it is a centimetre a year or something, and that's not including the first 30 years because they take like 30 years to get out of the ground or something like that. And this one is about 4.5 metres tall, I think it was, so it's huge. Here it is. Bloody huge, hey? So here's some little xantharia resins that I've collected just then. They obviously, you need to get the dirt off and everything. Just blend them down and then with methylated spirits, and that's it. It's incredible, and I've tested it on other things too, like the outhouse, and it has withstood the test of time. I am going to go on a weekend trip to go see my mum and drop her off some firewood and spend some time with her and take Miss Django to the beach. Thank you for spending time with me. I will see you next Sunday.